Hi everyone, here we've got Huawei P40 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the camera app, and here we've got the settings, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the video settings and video resolution right at the top of the list, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the recommended resolution, but we can choose from other options, for example 4K. In order to change it, simply tap on the one you want to use. And as you can see, it immediately changes, and it means that from now on this device will record videos in chosen quality. So that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Huawei P40 Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.